everyone, it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I am a fluid artist here in South Florida and I love doing acrylic painting and fluid art of all kinds. Tonight, I thought I would do something fun that I have been seeing other people do, and it is an acrylic painting, but with marbles. So I'm going to do a ring pour because that's kind of my style, and then I'm going to wreck it with these marbles and see what happens. So this one should be super fun. I have no expectations at all on this one. I'm just going to appreciate whatever painting comes out. So I hope you do too. Let's paint. Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Have I lost my marbles? No, I found them. So I got these marbles off of Amazon. I'll link them down below because it's actually really fun because they have all kinds of different sizes. And I had seen, so there's actually quite a few artists. So the first time I saw this, I think was Wiggles art, and I'll link some of these people down below. And then I saw, I think it's B.R. Turner, doing them on Instagram, and he really took it to another level. And I've also seen Fiona Art do them with some great results, and I have seen, who else? Mina Villegas, and she has done it with golf balls because she does really big canvases. So I thought, super fun technique. I want to try it. It reminds me a little bit of the outcome reminds me of the wrecked ring pours that I do. So that is what I wanted to do tonight. I'm going to do a ring pour, and then instead of wrecking it with a stick, I'm going to do what these other artists are doing and use the marbles. So I'm very excited for this one. I am using my regular pouring medium, which has Floetrol, gloss medium, and varnish, and GAC 800 in it. The paints are much thicker than when I do my blow dryer technique. So I am just going to get started. Now I think I do have enough paint already, but I'm just gonna pour down just a little bit so that it will flow well. And when I have thicker paints, I don't necessarily paint the sides because I don't really feel like I need to because the paint has good coverage. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna pour in the middle. The first kind of few pours don't really matter coming out of the cup, but then you want to start paying attention to your rings to get really nice definition in your rings. And the thicker your paint is, the better your rings are going to hold and come out. You can do this with thinner paint as well. And when you do it with thinner paint, the rings don't hold as well, but you kind of get some cell reactions that go on just because of the density, and that can be really fun and really cool as well. Okay, so I've got this last little part here. Really trying to take care. I don't know if this marble is going to go through the center or not, so maybe it doesn't even matter. So much fun to try different things. Ooh, got it without a drip. All right. Okay, let me torch. I love, love, love this color combination. I chose silver instead of the white because I wanted it to have kind of a subtle backdrop to it. So I don't know. So I have all these different sizes. I don't know which one to pick first. I think, oh, I don't know. Maybe I'll go with the, and I don't know where to put it either. Oh, I guess maybe I'll start. I feel like the big one's gonna be really, I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna start. I'm gonna, okay, I'm gonna pick it up. I hope you'll still be in camera. Oh my gosh. As I move this, so is the paint moving a little bit. So this is gonna be interesting. Ah! I'm gonna need your help to tilt this because everybody says they always tilt with me. Okay. Okay. Oh, I hope I'm gonna be back on my stands in camera. All right, let me wipe this off because you can reuse these forever. All right. Oh, this looks so funky. Okay, maybe I'll do a small one now and roll that on through, I think. Let me see if this small one rolls in this paint. Ooh, it doesn't roll. This one doesn't roll as much. Okay, I'm gonna go with the larger one. See, that's why I'm glad I bought this pack that has like a bunch of them in there. I'm gonna go with the medium size one now. Let's see if this one rolls. Okay, yeah, this one rolls good. Okay, I don't know. Do I want to go through that center? Ah! I'm just going to let it go where it wants to go. Kind of. Okay, I'm getting a little bit more daring here. I feel like I want this one to roll off this side right here. Okay. All right, now I'm going to stretch this out and see how this goes. This is fun. Let me move these out. Whoa, I almost did lose a marble. I almost did lose a marble. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, here we go. Stretching this out. I was already over to this corner, so I might as well stretch this way. Oh, there's my center. I kept it. Okay, I'm gonna flip you. Oh, this color combination, y'all. Ooh, I have a little lump. Oh man, I saw it and then it disappeared. I'll see it again. Oh, there it is, got it. Okay, take it to this corner over here and then off. Bring it back. Wow, this is so abstract, so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna spin you around again. And this time, just go ahead and get my sides. Dab just a little bit. You know, square canvases don't always mix with ring pours, right? All right, I'm gonna go up that way. Adding that extra little, uh-oh, there's a lot of corner missing up here. Why didn't you guys tell me that? I don't know, I'll fix them later. All right, I put that base coat down and it really helped these paints flow nicely. But you notice I didn't have to have it all over the canvas first. A lot of people ask whether or not they need to have a base coat down or not. And it really depends on the technique that you're doing. Wow, that lime green in there. I hope I don't lose it all off the edge. Okay, bring that back. One last tilt here. This is so pretty. It's gonna dry really pretty with that green. That was my center that's kind of stretched out now. And I did see one more little lump right there. If you don't get these out now, your paint will dry and it will have lumps over top of it. Okay. I think it would be cool to do this and then just leave just like a little bit of negative space on a corner. That would be really cool too. I'm gonna lose all that lime green. That makes me sad because I need it to go over the edge. Maybe I can save just a little bit of it. Oh, and still go down the edge. I don't know. Okay, I'll have to fiddle with my sides. That is cool. Wow. Amazing. How fun was that? I love it when artists get creative and come up with different techniques. It is what keeps this community fun and just enjoyable. All right. Okay, I've got pretty good coverage except for a couple pieces. So I'm going to fix my sides and then I'll show you what this looks like up close. I love it. Love it, love it. Here it is. It's kind of difficult to tell where the center actually was, but that was it right there, and it's stretched out gorgeous. I love the fact that this is silver and will be metallic instead of white. I'm gonna start you in a corner and just kind of move slow so that you can see the entire thing. I love this corner. There's all those lines from the marbles. Looks so cool. And then here's where a lot of like the rings came in with the cool design. And this is really just all about how you tilt this piece once you actually get the design. So I love that there's like a valley here with all these lines coming out this way. So cool. All right, I will show you what it looks like dry. I love this piece. So there's that corner there that I loved with the bright green, and the silver was such a good choice for this instead of using white because it's light enough to give contrast, but it's also a little bit metallic. There's where the center used to be. I'm so glad I tried this technique. I had seen so many other people do it with beautiful results. And it does, it reminds me of erect ring pour. I have so many ideas now floating through my head of things to do. I can't wait. I love it when I get excited. I love it when you just find your passion all over again. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for watching and liking and commenting and sharing. It all helps my channel, and I appreciate you all so much. Thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.